Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vratika and today's video is going to be about the last minute Diwali outfit. So Diwali is around the corner. We all can feel the festive vibes and ऊपर से थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंड भी हो रही होती है and I absolutely love that weather. जहाँ मतलब हल्की ठंड होती है, ज़्यादा भी नहीं but हल्की हल्की ठंड ऐसे breezes चल रही होती हैं. Also, I just want to tell you one thing that I'm shooting this video at 4 a.m. Just so you know how hardworking I am and you're not clicking that subscribe button and not liking my videos for really no reason. Please, I'm really drawn towards my career. Please do that. Moving on to the video. Now, as the name suggests, a video that is gonna be a last minute Diwali outfits where I'm not gonna tell you to buy anything. I'm simply gonna tell you the outfits that you can easily make at home. Okay, I might tell you some few little things you can buy or you can invest in that जो आगे भी काम में आएंगे, but I'm not going to tell you to buy everything, okay? So keep watching. Now for the first outfit, सबके घर में एक plain solid button down कुर्ती तो होती है, like होती है. I had the matching pants too. If you have a matching pants too, 10 on 10. If you don't have, you can simply wear a denim jean. मैंने इसके अंदर ये जो है ये actually एक DIY tube top है. Yes, it's a DIY tube top. So I had the fabric मतलब पड़ा हुआ था and I just draped it around. Then I paired the right accessories. I made it more minimal. I had a watch, so it had that smart look. I had a little hairstyle and then made a bun, so it looked really nice. I like to keep it minimal, and just let me tell you, this is my favorite combination of them all. Like, I love the wine burgundy color. Whichever this color falls into, I guess this falls into burgundy more than wine because this is wine that I'm wearing, right? So, and burgundy and wine goes a lot better with champagne and gold color, and this is the gold color that I'm wearing. If you have anything in champagne, oh my god, you're gonna kill it. I'm just telling. Now for the second outfit, all you need a solid black full sleeve t-shirt and a skirt. It can be any skirt. I used this skirt. It can be literally any skirt. I've just made a mix and match of black and blue. Now let's add some mirchi mix masala. Now what you can do is you can layer a lot of silver jewelry. Like, I'm not wearing a lot of silver jewelry here, but you can wear silver jewelry like everywhere. And that thing that I'm wearing, it's actually a bracelet. I'm just wearing it, पूरा ऐसे curl करके. I hope you got it. I couldn't explain it, but I hope you could. I hope you got it. Make this look really more dramatic. I added a bindi and a nose pin. Please comment down below if nose pin really suits me. If it suits me, I'll get a permanent done. I promise. I'm not gonna get it, but yeah, I promise. Now for the third outfit, you can sequence it. सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ sequence का पड़ा होता है. कोई top, कोई blouse, just sequence that thing. If you have a top, you can just pair like this. I added a belt near my breast and then I let it down and then मैंने उसके नीचे थोड़ा सा शरारा डाला cream color का, which looked really nice. And यहाँ भी मैंने minimal ही रखने की कोशिश करी है because that's so me. I like to be minimal. I don't like to be that chatak, matak, jhatak, patak. I really like to be so minimal. So yeah, that's what I did. If you like to go too much, you can go too much. But as I like to be a little minimal because shadi nahi hai, it's just Diwali. It's like a mix. Want to look glittery, but you are not going in a wedding. It's like in the middle somewhere. So you need to maintain that. That's what I feel. Now let's get to the next outfit. So for the next outfit, all you can do is, if you have a kalidar, like, I hope you know what kalidar is. So if you have a kalidar or even a plazo, just layer that tube top. That's the same tube top that I'm wearing, and I am gonna layer this as much as I can because I totally love this. So that's the tube top that I'm wearing. So you can also wear any golden tube top or golden strappy top if you have. And hair. let your dupatta be the star. तो आजकल ना मोस्टली ऐसा चल रहा है कि प्लेन आउटफिट एंड देन यू हैव अ दुपट्टा ऊपर से. तो इन्वेस्ट इन अ ग्रेट दुपट्टा. नहीं तो मैं बताती हूँ एक DIY छोटा सा. इफ यू हैव योर मदर्स साड़ी ना जो बेकार हो गई, थोड़ी भरी सी हो, वो बेकार उन्होंने फेंकने के लिए नहीं, मतलब उन्होंने दान करने के लिए दी हुई है, उसको ले लो और उसको काटो. ठीक है, जहाँ से आपको लग रहा है पीस उसका अच्छा है उसको काटो एंड जस्ट लेयर अ प्लेन सूट भी पहनोगे ना, जैसे प्लेन वाइट या ब्लैक सूट पहना, उसके ऊपर उस दुपट्टे को डाल लो. मैं बता रही हूँ, छोटे से ना ऐसे सिल्वर इयररिंग्स डाल लेना, बन बना लेना, लो बन नीचे एंड थोड़ा आगे से सेट करके ऑयल से. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स गोना लुक सो अमेजिंग. नेक्स्ट आउटफिट. Now for this outfit, let me tell you, I already had this cape. ये cape ना वैसे बहुत easy है DIY करने में भी. If I tell you, see, this is the cape and ये पूरी ऐसे चुन्नी चुन्नी वाला कपड़ा है, चुन्नी ही है basically. तो आपने ऐसे दो चुन्नी बना के ऐसे बीच में ऐसे गोला करके, मैं भी क्या बोल रही हूँ, you can't do that. If you are a fashion designer, I think you got it. So what I did, I wore it as an off shoulder with a simple churidar legging, and that's all done. I just made a little of my hair आगे से and wore some really nice earrings, and yeah, that was the look. That's how it turned out. Now, last but not the least, if you're watching this video right now, it's like a week away from Diwali, and all you can do is stitch it out. Don't worry about fabric, don't worry about anything. Let me tell you a quick DIY. Okay, so this outfit that you're seeing right here, ये fabric जो है मेरी मम्मी की साड़ी है. Yes, so if you had your mom's साड़ी spare, ये actually मेरी मम्मा की भी नहीं है, मेरी दादी की साड़ी है. तो उसमें से हमने ये crop top and so yeah, if you have time, just go for it. Wear some nice earrings, wear some nice jewelry. Do you notice these? Pretty now? Pretty. So pretty. So yeah guys, that was all, and I hope you really enjoyed the video and found it really helpful. Please let me know if it was helpful and which outfits you're going to try, and if you're going to try, please tag me on my Instagram. I would definitely love to see them. And in advance, happy Diwali to all of you, and I hope you're keeping yourself safe. I live in Delhi, so यहाँ बहुत pollution है. I couldn't shoot outside even. Pollution की वजह से Monday से मेरी थोड़ी तबीयत भी खराब हो गई थी. I had a little cold and मैं पूरे टाइम ऐसे ही करने जा रही थी, so I couldn't shoot this video. But yeah, finally I felt a little better. So that was it guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Chura!